5. Market capitalization, the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock. Example: if a company has 1 million shares outstanding and the current share price is $50, the market capitalization is 50 million? Section 4. Essential trading indicators. 1. Moving averages. Helps smooth out price data to identify trends over time. Example: a 50-day moving average can show the average stock price over the past 50 days, helping to identify the overall trend. 2. Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the speed and change of price movements to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Example: an RSI above 70 might indicate a stock is overbought, while below 30 suggests it's oversold. 3. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a trend-following momentum indicator showing the relationship between two moving averages. Example: if the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it might indicate a buying opportunity. 4. Bollinger Bands, provides a relative definition of high and low prices of a market. Example: if a stock's price touches the upper Bollinger Band, it may be considered overbought. Section 5. Platforms to start trading. To Binance, great for crypto enthusiasts. Robinhood, user-friendly and commission-free trading. E-Trade, comprehensive tools for more experienced traders. TD Ameritrade, robust research and education resources. Example: if you're interested in cryptocurrency, Binance offers a wide range of digital assets. For traditional stocks with a straightforward interface, Robinhood could be your go-to. Section 6. Tips for successful trading. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Read books, watch videos, and stay updated with the latest market news. Example: subscribe to financial news sites and follow reputable traders on social media. 2. Start small. Begin with small investments to get a feel for the market. Example: instead of investing your entire savings, start with an amount you're comfortable with losing. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors. Example: invest in technology, healthcare, and energy stocks to minimize risk. 4. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and avoid emotional decisions. Example: set stop-loss orders to limit your losses and stick to them, even if it's tempting to hold on. 5. Learn from mistakes. Every trader makes mistakes. Learn from them and improve your strategy. Example: keep a trading journal to track your trades and analyze what went wrong and what worked. Ready to embark on your trading journey and unlock financial freedom? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of savvy traders. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials, market insights, and trading strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's conquer the stock market!